Hey guys, welcome to Oneupreviewz. I'm Gerald.
And I'm Jefferson, the man behind the editing and the camera.
And we are Oneupreviewz. So what we've got here for you guys today is a little overview of the Crep Protect, and it's the ultimate sneaker care kit. What this care kit has, just a little run through before we open it. It's got the 200mm spray, the shoe trees to give your shoes like shape when you're not wearing them. The pills.
What's the pill for?
The pills are for, obviously, your shoes are going to stink. Cannot tell you how many times I must have opened my box of shoes and not like they stink. I'm a human. We sweat. You gotta, you have to clean them sometimes.
You have to air it out.
You have to air it out, exactly. What the pills does is give it like a
fresh smell, like from the box.
It removes the bad smell. I'm just reading it from the box. I'm not gonna lie to you.
And what's the last thing?
And the last one is the cure. I don't think we're gonna want to do the cure on a separate video when one of our trainers is actually mad dirty.
So it's like a car wash.
It's a car wash thing, okay. Yeah. But we did do the Jason Mark
a long time ago.
A long time
ago.
I think. Yeah, it must have been 4. Yeah, wow. We did the care kit there, like the cleaning kit. Similar to that, I can guarantee you it's like similar methods as the Jason Mark. Obviously different solutions, it's all different brushes, whatnot. But like I said, we're going to do a different video for that when the time comes. When that time is, we don't know. I mean, our trainers will get dirty soon, so soon.
Can I just grab it?
Yeah, of course you can.
So, Gerald, just a disclaimer, well not Gerald, but just a disclaimer, we are not sponsored. Was this a care package from someone?
Yeah, I was gifted it from one of my colleagues because they knew that I have stinky feet apparently. So I'm grateful. So.
And where can people buy this?
So at the minute, I believe you can buy them at Size on End's website.
There's all UK stores.
All UK stores. I know Crep Protect is in the US. So if you're watching this in the US, I don't know where you can get it. I'm not going to lie to you, but do check Crep Protect's website because they will have a huge stock list there. But I know where you can get them in the UK.
So essentially any big brand sneaker shoe store?
Yeah, essentially.
Okay.
Essentially.
And what's the price? UK price of this?
I don't know. Gifted it, innit?
It's a gift, so we don't care
gift,
about
so
the price.
we don't really know the price, but we'll put the price down here, right there.
In the description.
In the description.
It's a bit long editing it in.
But let's get this open. So what we're going to do is like preemptively protect the new Nike Blazer that Jefferson bought that we reviewed not too long ago.
Make sure when you're opening it you have a sharp object because it's like a paint tin. So you have to go in and then just pop it out like a paint tin.
We did pop it open beforehand.
Because we were struggling.
Yeah. So let's get this open. A lot of nice packaging, very nice protection.
Okay, it comes in this.
So right here we've got the Crep Protect Ultimate Rain and Stain Resistant Barrier Spray. Let's get started with pop it there. The shoe trees to keep the toe box or the shape of your shoe intact. There.
So I guess you'll put this only on your favourite pair of shoes or trainers.
Yeah, it only comes with the one, so.
Okay.
So I guess you'd put. I know they sell packs, so do look into it if you want to get multiple shoe trees.
Okay.
And it comes with. Here's the pills.
What was this again? Oh, keep it fresh.
Yeah, freshener to put into your shoes.
Oh, okay.
So we got the cure here. So I guess it's the new but one. It's the solution brush.
So for keeping your, like if it was dirty.
Yeah, if it's dirt, if it's like proper dirty. Like I said, we'll do a video separately.
Okay.
When I guess these blazers will get dirty, then we'll clean them. Nice microfiber cloth. Similar to the Jason Mark one that we did.
It's also branded as well. I guess you can even get.
Yeah, it's really nice though, isn't it? The branding. Obviously, you know it's Crep Protect, and we have the Crep wipes.
Wipes. Those are not shoe. So it's just this one's like a quick clean. Any
quick
little
clean.
smudges, not deep.
No, I'd use it on leather as well. On the go, you know, you get a scuff mark when you're out on your trainers, especially the white ones. I'd recommend using that quick white, boom, throw it in the bin.
Could you use this on suede?
I don't recommend it. I'd use it like on the midsole, because that would be rubber and leather.
Could you use this on suede?
I'd use this on suede.
It can be used on suede.
Like, yeah, so the cleaner can be used on suede. This brush, soft bristles, recommended on suede and nubuck. But we'll take this card, these two.
So what are we using today, Joe?
So we are going to, first of all, use this protector spray.
Okay, so what does this do? Like, once I apply it on my blazers, which I haven't broken into yet, what does this do?
What this does is actually protect your trainers against any, like, liquids.
So like the rain?
The rain, any spillage, or just, you know, like roll off, basically.
So it's like them adverts you see on Instagram.
Yeah, you
really?
see it, yeah.
I don't want to test it, but okay.
No, so you gotta trust me. But what we're gonna do is show you how to use it. We'll do like a little test like later in the future when it's actually been applied, because it will take, I believe it will take like 24 hours for it to proper set in and take into full effect.
Could you use this on suede? Did I ask that
Yes,
before?
yeah, you can use that on suede. So if Jeff did ask, I mean, I'm just going to double verify that you can use this on suede, nubuck, leather, anything really. You can use it on any like multitude of materials that whatever your trainer's made of, even like the knits, synthetics.
Okay, so these are the blazers that I purchased. I want them to be summer ready, so I'm not just gonna wear them just yet. Okay, there they are. So, do we need to wear any gloves, any protective gear? Obviously keep it away from our eyes, but apart from that,
just the little bottles recommends that you keep it 20 centimeters away from what you're going to spray. So this is roughly about 20 centimeters.
Hang on. Before you do that, how many coats do we need to apply?
It just says the one, really. Let me have a quick read. And it looks like it just needs one.
Oh, perfect.
So we'll just give it like a nice run over. But we want to be doubly sure, so we'll
do one by one.
One by one. Watch this fast editing.
Tongue. Do the tongue. Yeah, okay.
Leave it to set for 10 minutes.
If you have asthma, oh boy.
It's a bit spray, yeah. Look at that teamwork.
Fuck, the tongue. So is that it then?
That is protected. We'll do a future video where we just like put liquid on it, but it does work. I've seen it.
Yeah, the smell is really strong. So if
stay in a well ventilated area.
Wear a mask.
Wear a mask.
If you got like really bad asthma or breathing respiratory issues.
In hindsight, we did a poor choice because we both suffer from asthma, but here we are. We're still alive. But that's the Crep Protect spray applied. So easy.
Then what's
We'll go into let's just quickly use the shoe trees. This is the most easiest thing to ever do.
I guess to save yourself money, you can just use these that Nike or any other sneaker
that they supply
shoe trainer that they supply. You don't need to waste.
Yeah, personally you don't need to, but it's nice. Look at that branding there. It's a nice suede outer as well, really soft. You know, it doesn't damage your shoe. It keeps it nice in shape. I'm not gonna lie, this is the first time I'm gonna be using these shoe trees.
Okay, so
obviously left and right. And look at that, it bends to the contours of your shoe.
that.
Put like that.
Stick it in.
That's what she said.
Or he.
You know, yeah.
What do you?
And you bend, so you bend that little coil bit.
Oh, you bend it forward.
Yeah, bend it. Yeah, there you go. And then just put that on the heel.
Oh, this bit on the heel.
Boom.
Okay.
Look at that. You can see it, innit?
Keeps its shape actually. I doubted it, but yeah, keeps its shape.
Well, let's do a little comparison. So, and so easy to take off. So easy.
This is the one with the shoe. Was it?
Shoe tree.
Shoe tree. And no, just hold it like that.
So
keeps its shape. See the back? Oh no.
Oh no, just
the side.
Yeah.
Keeps it more fuller here.
Exactly. Gives it volume. Keeps your shoes in shape because they will flatten down, given when you don't have it on. But yeah, really cool. Nice to have if you want to display shoes as well. Don't know if you're that kind of person, but yeah, really cool. Nice branding as well. I know I mentioned it, but it really is that nice gold lettering.
Nice. Okay.
Do you want to keep it in the shoe?
Nah.
Nah. Cool.
Alright, that's it.
Oh. Well, it's not been worn yet, but you can do quick. So take all the plastic out of it.
So what is this shaking? What is it? Beads?
So it's the little beads, like little...
That absorb moisture.
Does. And it lets out, it's loads of, it's fragrance as well.
Oh, it is?
Smell it? Yeah, really nice smell.
Oh, that's actually quite nice.
Yeah. So
it's very subtle as well. It's not just in your face type of.
It's not overwhelming.
Yeah. Okay.
Obviously,
just the kit in there.
I wouldn't put it here because Jeff said he hasn't broken it. But let's give it some flavour. Let's give it some niceness, innit? That easy. Just put it in. Amazing. Well, I think that is it. Like I said, in the future we will do a review of the cleaning kit. In the meantime, I do recommend getting a Crep Protect Ultimate Sneaker Care Kit if you want to protect your trainers, if you want to keep it in shape, give it some nice, smells. You can buy each of these things separately, but obviously buying it in all one package, it's a great gift, and you're saving yourself some money if you just buy the whole thing.
I personally I'll just go to the pound store, get a brush. All these things you can get separately for way cheaper than this, but that's my personal opinion. I guess the branding does help, and you can rely on the brand that it might is reliable.
Yeah, but Crep Protect is like one of the biggest sneaker care company. I can think of that and Jason Mark. They're the only two that comes to mind. But yeah, this is like a must-have for anyone that wants to keep their shoe clean. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.